Hey there, welcome to Map Ranking Dashboard. This is the control center for marketing agencies and local businesses, multi-million-dollar companies in roofing, HVAC, electrical, plumbing. Everyone here uses Map Ranking to dominate Google Maps and AI search results. So let me give you a quick tour. First up, you can schedule a call with us, whether you want to learn about our services, see how our tools can help, or just get your questions answered. We've got you covered. Next is super easy to add your Google Business profile. No special permissions needed. Just search for your business, click save, and then you're good to go. From there, you can track your rankings with our interactive geography heat maps. They give you a crystal clear view of how you're performing in different areas. Here's how you can run your first scan. First, double check which business or location you want to track, especially if you manage multiple ones. Then enter the keyword or keywords you want to monitor. Next, adjust your settings. Choose how many miles around the business you want to track. Set the frequency between daily, weekly, and monthly, and select the grid size. The grid size controls the density of the data points, so the larger the grid, the more detailed and accurate your results. So when ready, you click scan, and then a few seconds later, you'll be able to view exactly where you stand across your service area. Okay, now let's talk about the CTR Booster, one of our most powerful tools. The concept behind it is simple. It generates click-through rate actions on your profile. So the more engagement your profile gets, the better your chances of ranking higher and getting recommended by Google. So our software simulates daily visits to your local business, initiates driving directions, and even performs profile interactions. So all of these signals enhance Google's perception of how popular your business is, which means more visibility and more customers finding you. So if you're interested, you can either purchase the CTR Booster directly or schedule a call with us. If you decide to purchase, make sure to schedule an onboarding call with us. On that call, we'll review your campaign settings and fine-tune the setup based on what works best for your type of business. Okay, now let's go over map check-ins. The Map Check-ins app works best for plumbing, HVAC, electrical, roofing, and other home service businesses that visit different homes and job sites. So the concept is simple. Every address you work at becomes a map pin placement. Each pin sends a strong signal to Google that help improve and expand your rankings across new service areas. Once you sign up, you'll be able to use our app to snap photos at every job location. Those photos combined with short SEO descriptions will be posted as a check-in in both your website and your Google Business profile. It is one of our most powerful ways to grow your footprint and make sure you show up where your next customers are searching. And finally, let's talk about our Dominate Maps SEO package. This is a done-for-you program where we take care of everything related to your local SEO. In addition to the tools I just showed you, this package includes business citations to strengthen your online authority, then Google Business Profile ongoing management to keep your listing optimized and active, and the website SEO where we dive deep into your site's performance. That means analyzing and fixing technical SEO, improving internal linking, optimizing your content depth, entity associations, and we also implement advanced structured data for stronger visibility and also build out city-specific service pages to capture local searches. So together with other best practices, this package is designed to shoot your profile straight to the top of Google Maps. Map Ranking Dashboard has everything you need to climb the maps, grow your visibility, and get more customers. So just so you know, make sure to check back every now and then because we'll continue to improve our dashboard and add new features to boost local business rankings.